Find someone to hear my speech.
Hello, my friend.
Yeah, hello. What's up?
What's up? Can I have some of your time?
Yeah, sure.
Today I'm going to give some speech about Confucius.
Yes, sure.
Okay, my name is MSID Bisweli. I'm from Fishery Courses. The first problem is about garbage and environmental pollution. So the problem is, the student litter rubbish while knowing responsibility and knowing the consequence of their action from the rubbish. The spread many campaigns and talk has been held to save our environment. Human beings cannot be separated by trash. Why? Because every day, people produce garbage from the remnant and things such as leftover food, beverage, waste, and many more. Trash can be beneficial if we treat it properly, and also harmful for that because can be a habitat for certain distinguished species that can bring harm to humans. Then the solution and problem is the most effective way to reduce waste is if we practice the principle 4R. 4R is reduce, recycle, reuse, and repair. There are some of my you can hear my speech.
Please hear. Please
Today,
hear.
reduce means we can reduce material, change the environment like polystyrene. Reduce means we use again as example to give the empty bottle for student and bring from home, use the same bottle and not to waste the new bottle. And then recycling means recycle everything that can recycle. Repair is much overlooked by many people, and this is actually the most important things because we can reduce trash with little such as repairing tasks of trash. You can reduce the trash, and next to overcome the problem is student litter trash in the public area considered to be charged amount of compound, and because in that way the students feel scared to litter the trash around the schools. So the second problem is some of students smoking in a hostel, which can affect health for non-smokers because in the cigarette contain 4,000 of harmful chemicals, substances which can directly affect our lungs. In addition, it also will contribute to the air pollution to the air. After they smoke, they left the cigarette away around and not throw it in the dustbin. The most effect on the human is the cigarette is the most effect for cigarette smoking is coughing, poor vision, lung cancer, and other effects. The effect for air from the smoke is effect from over certainly like carbon dioxide and other nutrients. The solution to this problem is the charge of high amount of compared to be smoker. If they smoke in public area, many students smoke like in cafeteria. And the second solution is smokers should be given a place to smoke because the smokers already affected and hard for them to stop smoking. But we can stop smoking with slowly approach them to stop smoking. The third solution is the smoker must be responsible to stop smoking in front of non-smokers because it is good for the non-smoker students. You can be my audience too. So the third problem is the clog, rain and shallow of water of Mangga Apung Tali Pot caused by the rubbish. Landslide from bank of river and all major factors which can cause the flooding areas and certain areas. Especially in GMP. The bigger problem is sewage problem near with the river. Sometimes the sewage plant because of non-heavy rain. Furthermore, it also gives unpleasant aroma to the outside community. During monthly check also, and detect that sewage water is released to the river. And then it gives unpleasant aroma during this monthly check. Detect and frequency of sound is high and trouble for students to carry on their daily routine and daily life. So the solution is student must reduce, select care community and do not throw the rubbish in the river. In addition, the river bank of the river must depend to overcome this problem with renovation of river bank. Reduce the development activities around the river bank and other. So the conclusion is, in the ending of my speech, I will say thank you to garbage men because without them, the earth might not be clean. So that's all for me. Thank you.